Hi everybody, this is Tammy and I'm back to share with you some one item that I purchased and then some other goodies that were gifted to me. So this past weekend I went to Frank's studio to meet up with Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs here on YouTube. I had ordered a custom tumbler from her. She's doing the epoxy tumblers. And so I saw a couple that she did on Instagram, so I ordered one from her and it was ready, so I met with her in order to pick it up. So my request was I wanted a pink to white glitter, like ombre glitter, and I wanted my name on it, and I also wanted a swan on it. And oh my goodness. So then she asked me like what kind of swan, for me to send her like some sample pictures of swans that I liked. So I sent her some, and then she sent me some back, and then I picked one, and oh my gosh, this tumbler is absolutely gorgeous. So here it is. So look at that swan, and this is just so beautiful. I'm sure the camera's not doing it justice. You can see all the layers of the glitter, of the epoxy, or the resin. You can just see all of the layers. And the swan has a beautiful wreath around it, and then there's flowers at the bottom, and you can see that that's kind of like dimensional, that it's above the other resin. And then she also said that the wreath part wasn't coming out the way that she liked, so she hand painted it. And it's in a really beautiful gold, and you can see that sparkle of the gold. And then she put a butterfly on the head of the swan, and it is dimensional. So that is absolutely gorgeous. And it's just super, super beautiful. And then she added, I don't know if you're picking them up, but here's one. So she added some swan-shaped sequins in the mix. And then here's my name on the back in pink and hollow foil, and it is gorgeous. And you can see that beautiful shabby pale pink that's going up to a white color with the silver and the hollow sequins. It is just really, really beautiful. She does put a disclaimer on the bottom telling you that it's not microwave safe, don't soak it, it's, you know, keep it out of the heat, and you know, just to be careful with it. But oh my gosh. And then she also included a care instructions. So here is all of her information. So Mimi Jocelyn Designs here on YouTube. There is her Instagram and also her email address. So if you want to order a custom tumbler by Mimi, her work is impeccable, and she, you know, she won't make something that she doesn't like herself and that she doesn't think is up to par, up to her standards. So if she thinks there's a problem with it, then, you know, she'll redo it, or she'll you know, keep making it until it's right, and then she'll show it to you. But it is so gorgeous. I just can't believe it. I couldn't wait. Once she showed it to me, the pictures, and then she sent me a little video, I couldn't wait to get it in my hands. But it is so super, super gorgeous. I just love it. Love, love, love. So that's my tumbler. Yay! I love it. Thank you so much, Mimi. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And then here's the straw. And then she also gifted me a really beautiful pokey tool. So she made hers out of, I think she said these are cocktail pins, but they are metal. And she ordered it on Amazon, so it's smaller. It is about 4 1/4 inches. So super cute, and it's gold. And then she put the beads. So super, super cute. So thank you so much for that. And then after me, oh, and then I also met up with Sophia. So Sophia lives, I think, someplace close to Frank's studio. So I had something to give to her, so I told her that I was going to be meeting up with Mimi there, and if she wanted to come and meet me as well. So she did, and then she gave me 2 bags of goodies, and I was like, what is this? So, and I have not opened it yet. So here is the first one. I love this pretty pink gingham bag. that cute little paper clip on it. And Sophia is Paper Sweets here on YouTube. She hasn't done, oh no, I think she did some recent videos, but she's more active on Instagram. So I will put a link to her YouTube channel in the description box, but I did see some recent videos from her on YouTube. So definitely go on over and check her out. So she gifted me some face mist, really pretty, from Nicole Miller. And then also a little, oh how cute, so a little little container that's shaped like hearts, and it has little eyeballs on it. That's funny. And then she put some little pom-poms, and then a bunch of enamel lip charms. So cute. Thank you so much for those. I do not have any of those charms. Okay, and then she also gave me a little French fry box that she made. She makes the cutest projects. All of her projects are so cute, and they always have so many little embellishments on it. So this one is filled with some goodies, and then also see a sequin mix in there. So let me open this, and sorry for the noise. So the same container, and then there's a cute little sequin mix in there. Adorable. And then some yummy, yummy goodies. Some lollipops. Really cute. Oh, and there's a little heart-shaped paper clip with some beads and one of the enamel charms. Oh, that's so cute. That is really, really cute. So let me put this on here. And then, and this is the card that she made. And she put this cute little arrow on the back. And so then this is the card. This was the card that was inside. And it had this cute little arrow on the back. And then also this really beautiful ornate heart doily. So that was so cute. And then she also gave me a second bag. And in it was this cute little bunny gumball machine that these are from, I think, the Dollar Tree. And they are hard to find. And then she filled it with some of those the styrofoam balls in the different colors. So that is so cute. I don't have any of those either. And then she gave me some of the pink tulle or decorative mesh. And then this cute little pillow box that has a little doily that's punched out on vellum. And then that really, really cute little bunny with the little bow and then a little flare there. And then there's some enamel dots or epoxy dots. And then in here is some more goodies, some cute little chocolates. How cute are those? And then some of the little bunny erasers. And it's funny because I've seen these at the Dollar Tree and I'm like, oh, I don't need any, I have some. I pulled out my Easter stuff and I didn't have any. So thank you so much for these. So cute. Thank you so much, Sophia. It was really good seeing you and catching up, as well as Mimi. It was really good to see you as well and catch up. We didn't talk a long time, but we haven't seen each other in a really long time, but it was really good to see you guys and chat for a little while. Okay, and then after I met up with them, I went to meet up with Marissa and Anna. And Marissa gave me, what did I do? Okay, the first thing she gave me was this super cute mug. So how funny. How to stay financially stable in life. 1, do not get into crafts. The end. And that is so true. So true. I'm like, every time I see my craft room, I'm like, oh my gosh. But yeah, so this is totally true. And thank you so much. That is so cute. I will also put a link in the description box to Marissa. Marissa is Creative Young Mama here on YouTube. And she gave me this package of all of this cute little Hello Kitty goodies. And she has done videos on, I think, all of these items. sorry for the noise. I did already open it, but she has some good washi tape on here. I'm totally keeping this Hello Kitty paper because I don't have any, and if I do a project for somebody that's like all into Hello Kitty, then I have some paper. So she gave me some of these little heart, the spiral hair elastics. She followed the tutorial that Anna did, and she made them out of these beautiful, beautiful patterns. This one right here, when I saw her video, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. It is some beautiful roses. And then this one is a light blue and a white polka dot. This one is really pretty as well with that navy background. There's a pink and white polka dot, and then this really pretty one that's perfect for spring. So love, love, love those. And then she gave me a little Hello Kitty mirror. So that is a mirror. And she put shred on the back, but that's a cute little mirror. And she put bling in the bows on the Hello Kitties. So cute. And then she also gave me this box. And she put my name on it, put this cute little bow. And she followed a tutorial, she said, to do the box. And in it is, woohoo, a Hello Kitty Pokey Tool. So she did a video of these, and I was like, okay, you know, yeah. I was like, is that blue and white Hello Kitty Pokey Tool mine? She's like, great. So yeah, so she gave me this one, and I absolutely love, love, love it. I just love the pale colors. It's just so pretty, and also it's thinner than the other Pokey Tools that I have or that I've created, and I just love it. So she has this really pretty faceted heart dangling from the top. So there's 3 Hello Kitty beads, and then these other faceted beads that are in the similar tones, and then I love the little faceted heart. And then she did a video on this recently, and she said that the other ones, here I have one, the bigger ones, they do fit in this box as well. So if you're gifting Pokey Tools, then this box is a good fit for that. And like this smaller size, you can get more than one in there, or something else in there if you were sending something else. So cute. Thank you so much, Marissa, for that, and the mirror and the hearts, and then also the super cute little cup. So again, ladies, it was really good to see you and to catch up, and thank you so much for all of my goodies. And definitely, if you are in the market for a custom tumbler, definitely hit up Mimi, because this is gorgeous. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you're all having a really great day. Bye.